Good evening, sir.
Hey, good evening. Hello, everyone. Good evening, and let us wait for a few more minutes. We will start session at 7 o'clock. Okay. Thank you for joining. Hi. Okay. Okay, friends, thank you for joining this session. Good evening and happy Sunday. So let's talk about this thing and really very, very thankful for joining this session on a wonderful Sunday. So let us start this session. Once again, as I told you, this is all about Tableau, what is Tableau and how Tableau works and all about this. Hope I'm audible and hope you are able to see my screen, all of you.
Yes,
Can
sir.
anybody? Yeah,
Yes.
thank
Yes, you
you.
are audible.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so let's start about this. So let me put it in a screen mode, full screen mode. So this is all about our Tableau, and I'm going to create a stunning dashboard with just 100 clicks, and in this session, so you'll be very happy to see that, and then after that, you will become a favorite or fan of Tableau like me as well. Okay, so let's see, and let's start about this. This is about a quick introduction about myself. So I've already posted these introductions in our group. So recently, like data and AI-driven concepts are evolving in the industry. So I'm very much passionate about those concepts. And I'm very, I mean, like Tableau is one among them. And then I'm a certified data analyst and certified Tableau server administrator and also a desktop specialist. So likewise, these are all my official certifications from the Tableau software USA. And as of now, I've been working with, still I'm working with some Tableau dashboards in my current organization. By the way, I'm a working professional. Around 100 plus dashboards I have completed, and also a Tableau architecture. Like I can suggest as a consultant to many organizations, I'm helping them out to establish the Tableau technology. And as of now, I have completed around 500 plus professionals, including students and all. Most of the people are from the working professionals, and they were. I mean, like I'm very happy to pass my knowledge, or I'm very happy to share my findings, learnings to my co-friends or colleagues and all. So that made me to conduct all these. What is that sessions? So. I'm happy. Thank you once again for connecting my webinar. Okay. Now, that's about my quick introduction. So I'm the one important thing is I'm passionate or I love Tableau. I don't know, you can call me as Tableau lover or whatever this thing is. I'm really, really passionate about or deep passionate about the Tableau. Okay, and so this is our agenda. Basically, what is that? How we are going to discuss about our session. A very quick introduction about data visualization and the Tableau and what are all the Tableau frame factors. So the sequence is there here. It is a self-explanatory. I no need to read it out. And let us move on to the next slide. Okay. At the end, we have some question and answers. Like if you have any queries, questions, or related to this, feel free to ask. Like I'll be very happy to help you on it. So the next one is the first one. The first point, what we wanted to understand is so what is this data visualization in this current world, like a current business world, how these things are helping? And so this is how you might aware of this particular thing by now. Things like if you want to present anything in a pictorial format or in a graphical format like this, like in a line chart or in any bar graph or pie chart or something like that, if you wanted to mention about your data, about your business details, then that is called the data visualization. Okay. So it is very good, like graphs and all is fine, but I wanted to give you a very practical examples what exactly this data visualization is all about and how this is really helping us in our business or in our day-to-day life. Okay. Some examples I wanted to share with you. You can see this. This is one of the example. You can see there are two tables here. The first table is some students marks or something like this in a specific subject. How many marks they got? That is what the information is there at the left side table. And at the right side table, the same marks were plotted in a different in a particular chart, and there are four quadrants. You know that the quadrants, like quadrant, magic quadrants, are very famous, or quadrant is very usual in every math background or is any computer world. So these are all the things were there. Suppose if I ask these questions, there are some questions like there are two questions above this. How many numbers are above 50? If I ask like this, showing this table, you need to look into this table and you need to check it out. Like where is 50, and every line where is 50, and all those things you need to count it. It is a very stressful, or it is very painful to the reader or the viewer to answer this question. And also you answer the you look at this second left side table, right side table, which quadrant has the highest total. So there are four quadrants, and which quadrant has the highest total is very difficult to answer this, because you need to sum up all these things in a respective quadrant, and then you have to answer it. So which is very, very difficult to answer this. So this type of problems data visualization will solve it. How? I will give you some examples like this. You can see this. This is the same presentation. We are giving this like this to the audience. Like we have highlighted greater than 50 values with some clue. Like every greater than 50 value is highlighted in yellow color with the background in the left side table. In the right side table, we have what is that legend. We have given attributed that values in a light green to thick green, because of I mean, light green means low number and thick green means high number. So that is one of the convention we have applied for this particular table. Now, by looking at this type of presentation, you can easily answer the questions. Like in the first question, you can see this around 4 plus 4, and then almost like 8 plus 11, and 11 elements are there above the 50 member in the left side table. And in the right side table, fourth quadrant is having the highest numbers with the based on the where there is a green color is very high. So likewise, we are able to understand, like previously, when we see this previously, we don't know, we don't have any clue to understand the data points. Whereas if we give some of some clues to them or some support to them by highlighting it, it has become very easy now. Now you can understand that how better it is becoming. I mean, like the data visualization, how it is helpful for every individuals or for every business model for that matter. Okay. Now, now let us go back and see. So in order to do the same data visualization, these are all the the graphs that we are using in our business or in our profession in day-to-day life, right? You might have seen this donut chart, line graph, scatter plot, Sankey diagram, and Gauss chart and bar graph, very, very famous things, right? Instead of just giving the tables, rows and columns, if you show with this type of graphs, then it will be very easy to understand the concept or to understand the data, and in turn, they can take the decisions very effectively. So that is all about the data visualization as simple. I don't want to take a lot of time about that. So within 1 hour, I wanted to cover the data visualization and Tableau. So let's move on. Like this is all about the data visualization part, right? And now, if you see, what is this? What are all the data visualization tool? What are all available here? So these are all the technologies that are all available for data visualization. So by the way, data visualization is a part of business intelligence. There is an article called business intelligence. In that, data visualization is one concept. In that, again, these are all the what is that industry leaders data visualization software or tools are available from these with respect to these type of different companies. You are aware of this Power BI, which is a super computer for the Tableau, because Power BI everyone is using, because so all our computers are Microsoft, and Power BI is supported, I mean, is developed by Microsoft. So that is a very good competitor for Tableau. And Looker is a Google thing. ClickSense is also very famous, and Clipfolio and Zoho is our Indian software company where they evolved into this data visualization software. So these are all the competitors for Tableau. Excuse me. And out of all these things, we have selected Tableau as our point of discussion today. So we are going to discuss about the Tableau in a couple of minutes. So basically, what is this Tableau? So now a very quick introduction has completed about the Tableau part. So we are coming into the Tableau. So it's a powerful BI. BI means business intelligence and data visualizations tool that runs into interactive and shareable insights. It's worth reading it because it's very important. So this is a BI software where we can create a powerful dashboards, and you can connect to multiple data sources. Like you can connect, you name it, whatever it is, you name Excel sheet, you can connect text file, you can connect JSON file, you can connect PDF, we can connect, right? Databases we can connect. So all those things are there. So we can connect to any type of data source, and then we can create visuals, like as I shown like previously, graphs and bars and all those things. You may be thinking that, excuse me, friends, I'm sorry. Today, I'm suffering with cough and cold from morning. I don't know. Suddenly, it has come. I'm really suffering on that. In the sometimes I'll be troubling you with my cold or with my cough. Excuse me for that. Okay, now let's go back to the Tableau. So why this Tableau has become very fact. So don't worry, friends. I'll be very shortly. I'll be starting this 100 clicks creating the dashboard. Just let us complete very introduction part of the Tableau part. Okay. So why it is so famous? Tableau is so famous. Why? Because this is a, I mean, like you can cultivate the data-driven culture in any organization with the help of Tableau. What is that meaning? So nowadays people are talking about data, data, data. Everybody is looking at numbers and the data, and then only they are taking the decisions, right? So that is called data culture. Every people, every organization is into the data-driven culture. So in order to cultivate that in any organization, Tableau is the best tool, best software. And this is number one in data visualization tool. Of course, some people will say Power BI. Yes, Power BI is also good, but the few features are very good in Tableau. I will explain those the advantages with the Tableau. We will talk in later while we are preparing it. Now it's a very easy to learn. So some people may think that it is very difficult. No, it is very easy, and I will prove it. And you can also learn that very quickly on this thing. Subsequently, we can talk about it. And fast and low code. The coding is not required much for this particular thing. It is very fast. You can learn, or writing the code for Tableau is very fast, right? And it is free for the learner. So Tableau has introduced a Tableau Public, one software they have introduced recently that is called Tableau Public, which is a very free software, and you can download and you can practice. There's no need to spend any money to learn this technology. And it will connect to, it is connecting to 100 plus data sets. You name it, whatever be the database or data source, like Oracle you can connect, Snowflake you can connect, Redshift you can connect, or Magic Brick, Databricks you can connect, whatever it is, like in very famous data sources, we are able to connect with help of Tableau. So that is the biggest asset or the feature of the Tableau. And also very important factor, next one is handles the big data. So this is not there with even Power BI. Power BI, people are suffering if your data is having in terabytes. Whereas the Tableau, it solves it very quickly. And today in our session, I'm going to show you 1 million data point, 1 million rows data, it will import into the database very fractional, I mean, like in 6 to 7 seconds. Whereas Excel or any other tools, it will take a lot of time to import 1 million data rows, means like 10 lakh rows. It will take a lot of time. Those will take a lot of time. But whereas in Tableau, it will be very, very, what I can say, very quickly you can load it. So I'll show you all those things. Now, here there is a graph. It is called, this is called Magic Quadrant. We discussed about it. A company called Gartner, they used to do some analysis about all business intelligence software companies, and they plot their points wise. And you can see this Tableau Salesforce. Tableau, by the way, Tableau was taken over by Salesforce recently. And this is what and this is at this fourth quarter, and it's very effective quadrant it was there. So that is why Tableau is become it is a super popular or super famous because of these factors. Okay, friends. Now, what is this all about it? So this is all. Well, there are some myths about the Tableau. So these are all the myths and the actual factors, actual facts. People think that it is very very difficult to learn. No, that is not. It is super easy. If you know four terms like dimensions, there are some four fundamentals. If you know those fundamentals, Tableau is super easy. Just drag and drop and creating the visuals and creating the dashboards. So that is how it is. And some people think that it is very costly. Of course, it is a bit costly, but it is worth paying it because of the output what it is giving it. Once you learn with the free Tableau public, and if you really wanted to establish or understand your business insights, you can invest some money and you can work on this Tableau. And also scattered learning content. So there is no clear scattered, I mean, there is no clear learning content, something like that. Some comment was there in the market. Yeah, to some extent I agree, but that is not 100% correct. But there is a very good resource available about the Tableau learning. I will give you, post that in our group, and you can have it. Official Tableau learning path is there. And of course, we have so many communities are there, like me, or so many people are helping, or you can watch those videos, and it is very easy to learn about it. Okay, that's about the opposite. The 3 points. It is super easy and it's budget friendly, and rich learning content is available in the internet. You can easily access it, and you can learn whatever be the concept. If you wanted to know, you can search it and you will find out and you can learn it. It's very easy, very simple. It is as simple as that. Okay. Now, if you go back to this, the next one is, what is this? So now little bit more details about the Tableau. People were more concerned about this. What exactly it is having is how many people are using it, and what is it really Tableau working worth learning it or something like that. You may have some more questions here. So this is about the reality in the real world, how the Tableau is there. You can see there's so many, more than 10,000, more than million companies in the entire worldwide are using this Tableau. And and the companies Cigna or Honeywell, Nissan, Jaguar, Land Rover, I mean, these people are using it. Very, very popular companies are using Tableau. Just if you want any uh, details, like there is a link and very good insights will be given here. And this is a very, very, I mean, like Tableau analyst. If you become a Tableau analyst, then you will have a very good opportunities in the world right now. Okay, so this is a really, really powerful tool. Please try to learn, and everything you can learn on your own. The only thing is you need to understand at the beginning, these type of seminars. If you understand, you can learn on your own. Right? This is what one of the thing. So in reality, these are all the companies, these are all the volume wise, how it is popular, how it is becoming very popular, even in this AI era. Of course, it is created with AI only, artificial intelligence only. It is built with some AI, and that is the reason these tools have become very very popular. Okay, now there are some certifications across the board, like in Tableau. So, like other certifications, PMP certifications, or any Python certifications, or Oracle certifications, in Tableau also, there are some certifications in the world. So, you can see this, it will be conducted by Tableau directly, Tableau LLC USA. And now it is taken over by Salesforce. So, they are conducting some exams. And if your skills are up to the mark, if you meet the expected marks, then you will be awarded with some certificate. And this is the thing. The first one is foundations course. They will charge around $90 and they will test your ability. They will give you multiple choice questions and you have to answer it. And the I mean, duration is 70 minutes. You can see this. You can read it out. I no need to, again, read it on this call. So, but these are all very valuable. So it is not like I know Tableau. If you have any certifications, then it is really, you will get very good interview calls. And honestly, I'm getting so many calls. By the way, I'm a certified professional for these three things. I'm certified Tableau Foundation, certified data analyst, certified Tableau administrators. So not only these three things, we have other data, Tableau consultant, Tableau architects are there. Those are all 400, $500 exam fees. As a level one, level two, level three, you can try or you can attend these things and you can earn these certificates. If you earn these, if you have these certificates, then you'll be like getting a new job or updated job in AI era is very easy. So try to focus on this. It is not like just learning. Try to understand about the Tableau culture, how it is there. If you are certified Tableau professionals, you will get very good opportunity, right? So these are all the things about the certification profile. Now, you maybe this is might be very important slide. I mean, very people must be looking at this also. Is it really having a good market? What type of salaries we will be getting it? So can we have some light on it? So many friends have asked about it. So that's the reason. So basically, honestly speaking, it has a lot of value in US market. And India, right now, it is emerging. Recently, rapid growth has been observed in India. So many people were trying to, I mean, migrating from Power BI to Tableau, and all those things are going on here. You can see that. Just I wanted to read it out. It is worth watch or reading it out in this particular discussion. In India, entry level people will get 3 lakh, the 4 to 5 lakh as an entry level, and it may go up to 7 to 15 lakhs if you have 2 to 3 years of experience in Tableau. And even if you are in leadership model, your leadership level, it may exceed more than 15 lakhs to 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs if you are Tableau architect, if you are a Tableau consultant, and all those things. In India itself, you can earn more than 30 lakhs. I'm talking about if you have a certifications and more than 5 years experience exclusively in Tableau, establishing the Tableau. No, it's not only just dashboard. There are so many things in Tableau. I will tell you all those things. And it's what are all those things? It is like data engineering. Right now, data engineering is there. There is a tool called Tableau Prep. In Tableau, there is a tool called Tableau Prep Builder. This Tableau Prep Builder is nothing but a data engineering tool. So separate session is there for that. You try to attend that. I'm going to conduct some free webinar on Tableau Prep. So very soon, maybe next week or after that, so you can join those sessions as well. So you'll be knowing about what is the data engineering concept in Tableau. And also TabPy. TabPy means Tableau Python. You can integrate or you can run Tableau code, I mean Python code in Tableau. And you can create wonders in Tableau dashboards with respect to that. So that type of thing, Tableau Pi is one more thing, and Tableau Server is there. So there are so much concepts are there. It is not like only just Tableau Desktop. It's a starting point what we are talking today. Okay, and this is how. Even if in US, the starting salaries for Tableau specialist or experts is around $50,000 per year to $130,000, means like $130,000 per year. It is there. But unfortunately, nowadays visas are issues. But in US, if you get it a job, there are many opportunities in Tableau, but the salary range is like this. Okay. So that's all, friend. This is very, very important concept with respect to the Tableau part. Now, as of now, what we have discussed is all about Tableau. I'm talking high about Tableau, and all those things are there, right? What is this Tableau? What is exactly it is solving? How it is helping our business people? So that is what I'm going to help you. I'm going to tell you now. So one business case, we will take one business case and one data set. I have already shared with you guys in our group. Again, I will share it after this meeting. So we have like, let's say 10 million, 10 lakh rows, 1 million rows are there. One data set is there. What is this, what the data it contains and how it is having it and how the business is going, business case, like what business case, how that Tableau is solving, all those things I'm going to discuss it now. Now, let us understand a little bit. So this slide is all about business case is very important. How the business Let me show you this Tableau, I mean, the data set first. We will see the data first, data set first, and then we will come back again to this presentation. Okay. So let me open my this one. So this is about the data set, which I have already shared with you guys. So which contains around 10 lakh rows, 1 million rows means one row, like it is just getting open. So see the problem with the Excel, it is taking time. You can see here, it is taking time to load it. It is still loading. And CSV file, I've just opened it with Excel. Excuse me. See, this is the many times this is the situation when report is getting opened, we are looking at it, we are waiting for that, right? So those things have gone. Those days have gone with the Tableau and Power BI. These technologies have come. We no need to wait, and there is no point of corruption. Sometimes corruption also may happen. File may not open. It may say there is some problem, right? Because of the huge data, the file may be getting corrupted. So see this, how many is almost 10 to 15 seconds, even 20 seconds, it's gone. Like right now it has opened. Right? Okay. Now that is about the Excel issue. Don't worry about it. Let us spend some time to understand this data. I'm trying to explain you the business case. What is this business case? What is the exact problem in the business in right now in the business people area, and how this is getting solved with the Tableau. That is what I'm going to talk. Before that, I wanted to show you a data set where some information is there. Let us spend some time to understand what is this. Okay, friends, let's see. This is there are some 10,000 rows. 10 lakh rows are there. This is 10 lakh 825 rows are there, and columns are 21
Yeah,
columns are.
Ravi, we can't
Uh,
see the Excel
Yes,
sheet
sir.
that you are presenting. We can only see the
Power BI
presentation.
helps the website only, that side only.
Oh, okay, okay. 1 second. Huh? Are you able to see now?
Yeah, we can see now.
Oh,
Yeah, yes, Ravi, we can see now.
yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now see, this is what we have 10 lakh 825 records, 10 lakh 825 rows are there, and 21 columns are there. You can see this 21 column A, column B, column C, like this 21 columns are there, and 10 lakh records are there. What is this all about? It is all about a transaction data. Like, for example, in our ATM bank, we will be transacting our data, right? Or in ATM, or in what is that, Amazon, or in any online cart or whatever it is. So this is every row is one of the transaction on which date they have transacted, and what is that amount they have paid, and what product they have purchased, how much quantity they have taken, what is the discount they have given, what is the profit they got it. All these information were there. So if you see this, this is around 10 lakh records and 21 columns. You can see this. You see this 21 million data points. Data point means you must be aware of this. Intersection of row and column is called a data point. So like this here, nothing but a cell basically. So 21 crores, like 21 million data points were there in this particular data set. So what it is all talking about, if you give this information to this particular data to any manager, what they will understand, you can't ask them just filter yourself. If you want to know about South, filter it and you find out the error, I mean, find out the details. You can't tell like that, right? So this is all about the data that is available either in the Excel sheet or text file or in the database, wherever it is available. But the same thing, what is that? Like there is a solution which we have given here. And now are you able to see my screen, the dashboard?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what has happened is the solution has come here in this way. We are giving one solution. What is that solution? This is what the solution. So first of all, we have understood what is the database. I mean, data set or database are same. If you export any database, that is called data set, right? The data set contains around 21 million data, 1 million rows, and it is a CSV format, and it has 21 columns, and it is having the two countries data, US and India, right? So with this particular data, these are all the questions that may arise with the business people. So what type of questions they may ask? So how many transactions have been completed as of now? How many records, how many transactions have completed? So a manager may ask, or owner may ask, or the question may arise at any level of business. And what are the total sales? Like what are my total sales and total profit as of now? People are very much interested about knowing about their profit, right? These are all the questions they have it. And what are all the total quantity sold? And what is the highest percentage I'm giving as an offer to my customers? So am I giving 90%, 100%? 100% means free product, right? Or 90%? What type of percentage I'm giving? So these type of things you may be seeing this in your business meetings. Or deeper questions also. You can see there are some deeper questions. What are all the deeper questions? How does the profit vary from state across the different years? Different years, different states, how the profit is there. So that information in US, how it is there, in India, how it is there. So these type of questions might be your boss or your manager might be asking you in one of the meetings, right? Based on the current trends, what is the projected sales? What would be our sales in the coming month or coming year? Or are we ready for that? Or do we need to recruit anybody? Or how the things are going to? Festival is coming, so sales may be very high in our shopping cart. So what we need to do? How to deliver that products to the customers effectively? So these are all the questions. Like what products are giving me more profit? I can do business of those 10 products. Why should I do a non-profitable products business? So, like this, friends, like there are so many business questions in our industries, or not. One example I have taken as a shopping cart. It may be the same case for the business. I mean, for the pharma level, pharma business, or for the any industry. You take any industry, and with their data, they may be having some insights, some questions related to their data. So, one example we have taken, and these are all the questions. So, what is the solution for this type of questions? How to solve that? So, right now, or as of now, like there are some solutions for this type of business questions or business needs. This is a business case, real business case. So, what are all the solutions? They will call one software company like TCS or medium level or whatever it is, some company they will call, and they will tell their requirements. I wanted to see all these things at any point of time. Like this, they will give their requirements. So the professionals will understand the requirements. They will start writing the requirements, and they will give the prototype, and they will start giving some what is that mocking and all those things, and then they will start coding, and they will develop the software and application, right? They will develop an application, and that application will be given to this company, and thus that company people will understand, and they will find out some bugs, and they will raise that into some queries, Jira tickets, and all those things, and they will be. It's a continuous process, and all those things. No? So this is how the current trend is going on. This is very good, but there are some flaws with the system. What are all those fast systems? It is too much. I mean, taking too much time. It will take minimum of 3 to 4 to 6 months to complete this entire application. Until that time, we don't know. Like right now, business is not in that mode. They want the information right now. They need the information then and there. They can't wait for 6 months to understand about their data because of developing that application and all those things. And if you want any single change again, you have to raise a query, and it has to approve change request, approval, all those things. Again, it will take 1 more month. So it is taking a lot of time, the current system. And also it is expensive. The software people will not do it for free or for the lower cost. They will be definitely charging so much of money. And it is not flexible. If I wanted to change my if I change my decision about my requirement, then it is an expensive. I have to pay back, or again, not only payment, it is again time consuming. So these are all the flaws or limitations in the existing software industry, saying that it is taking a lot of time, it is expensive, or it is not flexible. So that has become an opportunity for other software developers. They started about their thought process. We need to find a solution for this particular thing. So how to do that? So it should be cost viable, it should be time flexible, and it should be changes also should be accommodated as and when required. These three factors we need to implement into the current software system. How to do that? So that is the root cause of evolving the BI technologies. That is what, like business intelligence technologies like Tableau, Power BI, Joho, all these things have evolved because of this reason. So, okay, for telling all these things is fine. Can we do that? See this. There is a solution for this. So this is the solution which we have given, that 21 million data points or 1 million data rows can be mentioned like this, can be shown like this. So it has given a powerful dashboard in a fraction of seconds, like not even seconds, like you can say in minutes. I'm going to develop this dashboard in front of you with that 1 lakh, with that 10 lakh, 1 million data rows data. I'm going to create this dashboard in 10 minutes or with 100 clicks. So that much of fast is coming out just because of Tableau or even Power BI. Any business intelligence tool can develop the dashboards like this in minutes times. You don't need to wait 6 months, 3 to 6 months, and no expensive and very less expensive. And it is flexible. If you want any change, if you decided to change, I mean, if you want to look at your data into different way, you can easily do it. It is very flexible, right? So what is that? Let us see what exactly it is in the reality. So I have created this dashboard with 100 clicks, and this is how it is a live link. You can see this. I will show you how effectively it is giving it. So the moment I show this in this one, you can see this, it will be coming up like this. So let me put it in a presentation mode. So this is a, see how great it is appearing in. What is it all talking about is, you can see this. This is about the country level in India, state level information is there. If I hover it, I'm able to see. If I hover it here, what is the Uttar Pradesh profit amount? And if I hover it here, it is a Maharashtra, what is the profit amount? And it is not only the state level information, it is showing the color coding. The green level, it is coding it, yellow means low profit, green means high profit. This is the lesson we have given here. By looking at this visual, you are able to get very powerful insight which state has highest profit, which state has lowest profit, and how the things are going at the state level. You can easily understand. You are able to see this. Now, you can see this here. There is another information. This one thing is profit area and the sales area. This product is having the highest profit, highest sales, which is very good for my business. Why can't we do more business with this? Because it is giving highest profit, highest sales. And you see here in the blue color, which is lowest profit, even we are missing a profit, we are losing money also. These products are not good for our business. Why should we do that? And these are all mediocre products. Okay, no, sales is low, even product is sales is high, profit is also low. See, everywhere it is showing some very good information where it is showing us this is red color, dangerous products. We are losing money here. Some insights we have given it. Now, there is a top 10 products. What are all the 10 products that are giving me the profit? These are all the 10 products which are giving profit for my business. So I can focus on these things. Like this we can create it. Now, this is very important thing, friends. You can see this. This is called predictive analytics. This is very, nowadays it is very, very famous. What is predictive analytics? Based on the current data, what is my future? That is what we are predicting the future. You see here, this is every month how much sales is going on here. Monthly it is there. Then what is about my future? October 2026, what is my, and November, March, August, what is my sales in future months? That is what we are going to do here. So this is called future analytics, like this is a predictive analytics. Now, here it's a day wise, what is this going on? Like every day, what is by this much sales is happening. Some days it is very low, some days it is very high. Are we ready to handle such type of spike in our sales? Sales, high sales is very good opportunity. It is not a trouble situation. If you have high sales, it is a good opportunity to earn money. But do we have infrastructure? Even though if you extend your people, first of all, extending employees timing is not good option. And even though if you extend it, can you handle that? So if you don't prepared for such type of good opportunities, for business opportunities, you cannot handle, and it will lead into low satisfaction levels of the customer satisfaction, and it may be causing your threat to your business. So first of all, what is this all talking about it? So if I have the insights of my business, I can take more or effective decisions related to my business. For example, see here in this particular area, you have what is this here? This is all talking about is region level. Why this region, East region is having very less per sales. Only 10% sales is there, whereas 39% is coming from North, and the Central I am getting 34%. What is happening here? So why we are not getting sales here? Why that region is having problem? Is it related to manpower? Is it related to regional level? Or should we do anything else? Or can we change the manager or the leadership in this area? So I can take that type of decisions here. Now here see the KPIs. What is my total transactions? What is my quantity? And what is the sales amount I have done? And what is my profit level? And what is the maximum discount I'm giving? All this information I'm showing it. So this is the solution. This powerful dashboard with that 1 million data rows. We have created it with 100 clicks. Means 10 minutes time we have created this. How effective it is. For this, like software, people have to spend a lot of time, and they have to write a prototype and coding modules and testing, releasing, all those things. No, it will end up with a lot of time taking or costing or the no flexibility, inflexible, and all concepts will come. And not only this, if I wanted to go back and see this, instead of India, I wanted to see the US situation. If I select the US here, entire things will be changing to the US. So in US, which state has highest sales? And green color is the highest sales. California is having the highest sales here, or New York must be having it, or the Texas must be having it. So it is that country situation it is. In this country, what are all the products which are having the problem? Highest salary, highest sales, highest profit, and lowest sales and lowest profit. Why should we do that? And this is changing from country to country, right? Different things are there, and here projections also different. So how flexible it is. So this is what exactly the business intelligence tools, business intelligence softwares are helping business people for getting insights about their data. That is why this Tableau, Power BI, these things have become so popular in nowadays because it is giving a quick solution to their requirement. They wanted to understand their data very effectively. It is not effectively means not a word. You can see this now. How many parameters we have given, how many dimensions we are able to show that same data, rows and columns data. We are able to show this in a very effective way. So likewise, you can create. Take any business case, you take pharma industry, they wanted to do some testings, that also you can display like this. You take the financial things, you can display this thing. You take the law related thing, you can display this. How many legal related things. Take any industry, they need these type of insights because of that. And that is why AI is also, AI is, Tableau is built in with some AI features. Because of that, it is very fast, very reliable, and very economic. That is the reason people were started using this particular technology for their business solutions. and people might be you by now, if you are already aware of, fine. If you are new to this session, you can understand how the Tableau is helping to the business people. Okay, that's all, friends. That's about the quick introduction about the business case. And now I'm going to show you how to create this particular dashboard, this powerful dashboard in front of you with 100 clicks. I will show you that, how I'm going to create them. Okay. Hope you are all with me right now. This is what the presentation part. So let's go back to our presentation again. So now I'm going to start creating this particular dashboard one by one. Let me open my Tableau file. I've just pressed the Control N. New Tableau file is getting open. So just give me a minute. I'll show you that.
Unable to see that, sir.
Oh, you're not able to see my screen? No, no. Are you able to see the graph, this one, dashboard?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, Swami. It is taking time, a few minutes. Just let.
Okay, okay, sir.
Now you should be able to see my screen.
Yes, sir. It is loading, sir.
Yeah, white screen. Just give me.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, friends, by the way, one quick request. I may be taking additional 5-10 minutes. Just give me 1 second. I need to increase my session time for a minute. Huh? Just give me. Done. Okay, now I have opened my Tableau. So this is what the Tableau it will be the moment you open it. You don't worry about that right now. I'm connecting to my data set. So 1 million data set, 1 million rows data set. See this connecting is how easy it is. You have to select the text file and then you can go to the path where it is and accordingly you can have it. And that selection, I have selected that particular file, friends. You see this, it is connecting to that. So you can see this is what it is taking 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maximum 10 seconds. It will take 10 to 11. Okay, I think that's all. See, that's all it has connected. So the total file, whatever we have, the 10 lakh records data has been connected to Tableau. Simply as simple as that. I have that information just like this. Everything is here. So now I will show you. Don't worry about what is this Tableau, how it is done, and all those things. You can easily learn that. But focus carefully how I'm doing it, what exactly I'm doing it here. Okay. Now see, friends, there is a very important thing. Like one by one, I'm doing it. I'm trying to explain and doing it right now. So first one is it's very simple. There is a sales data, sales information. I've double clicked on it, and profit information. I double clicked on it, and the product name I dragged it here. Then I got this particular data. I got whatever be the one of the dashboard we have it right in the dashboard. So let us explain that one more time. You can see this. Are you able to see my dashboard screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Here you see this. There are components. So this map is one component, and this is one component. This is a cluster point. This is a clustering concept, and this is a futuristic forecasting information, and this is the top end data, and this is the sales trend information. These are all the things, right? One by one, I'm going to create right now. So one among them, this is what I have created it, and just look at it how easily I can make it very quickly. I can make it related to that. So this is a thing. I don't want to have this particular thing. I just wanted to remove this. So that's all. With the 5 clicks, and also there is a concept called clustering. I can go to this here and cluster information. If I make it here, this clustering part, I wanted to have it 4 concepts and 4 areas. That's all. It is created the 4 clustering points. So out of one of my dashboard area is done. This I'm just naming it as a clustering. Don't worry, don't think that I'm telling unknown things. I just wanted to create in front of you with 100 clicks. These are all the 5 clicks I have used right now. And that is what one part of the dashboard is done. Now the second one I'm going to here, and I'm going to do this information right now. That is order date. I'm taking it here, and order date I'm making it as an exact date, and that information is that. And then the sales information, I'm just double clicking on it here, and that information has become like this. You can see this, how every day how the information is there, day wise data, what is the sales happening on that particular thing. And I just again formatting this particular part, just changing it into black color, so everything is in black. And I just wanted to remove the grid lines and all. It is very simple in Tableau. And you can see this, how easily I'm able to create it. And this I can say sales trend. This I'm going to do this as a rename as a sales trend. This is all around how many? 4 5 clicks only. Now the third one is what is that pie chart, right? What is that region information? I wanted to take it information, and the sales information I have to, and the sales information I wanted to make it as is, and I wanted to make it as a pie chart, and creating like this. And I wanted to make it as a bigger one. I wanted to display the details here, and very quickly you can do it. And this information, I wanted to do a little bit formatting here and just making it as a black background. That's it. This is done. This is, you can see this, renaming it as a region data. That's it. This is 1 2 3 is over. And the fourth one is I wanted to do the KPIs. What is my total sales? What is my total these things, right? There's and measure names I have taken it. See this, how beautifully with one click I'm able to get this information. I'm making this into color. Everything is like this. I'm making into the values into this particular area, and I'm hiding this my header. And don't worry, you will also learn very easy, and I will help you out to learn that after some time. And don't think that this is something different software, very difficult software. It's very easy actually. So I'm just making it very clear. See, this is what we got it. And I wanted to rename this particular thing, and this is total total transactions.
Sir, one small question, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, based on the input what we are given by the columns or rows, it will automatically give the
Correct.
better output, sir. Whether it is a
Yes.
pie chart or whether it is a cluster area, whatever it may be, automatically it will give based on
Yes,
the
yes. By default, one model it will give Kumar Swami. But if you want, you can change it. For example, previously you have selected here, no? By default, it will give some table format. And if I wanted to change it to pie chart, there are some options. I will tell you that. Okay.
okay,
So
okay, sir.
that and all, the next sessions you can join, you can easily get it. This is all about the dashboard, how we have to give it. Okay.
Sure,
So
sir.
now,
Understood.
yeah, now I made it as a KPI information. All informations have come. Here, this profit discount is awkward. I wanted to change this discount into maximum part, and then it is coming into the number format. I wanted to do it percentage. I wanted to change it. So then it will be like this. So I got it now 1 2 3 4 5, and the fifth one is I just wanted to understand one more thing. That is what is the order date I have taken it, sales I have taken it. Then I'll be getting what is that sales information. If I place it here, then I'll be getting this year wise information. I just wanted to change this into month information. Then I'll be getting like this. I'm just forecasting this value. How to do that? Go to analytics, and there is a forecasting concept. And if you make it happen like this, there will be like this. Are you seeing this? And I wanted to make this as a background as a black color. If you observe this, these are all very common activities for every slide wise. And I don't want these grid lines and all. I just wanted to remove them. And this is what it is going on. That's it. This is what one more thing. So here it is a forecasting is happening here. This is a forecasting December 2026. Also, you are able to see how much it is there. So like this is one more thing. This I can rename it as a forecasting. And then now 1 2 3 4 5, and next one is top 10 values. How we have to do this? Product name, I'm double clicking on it, and the profit information, I'm making it as like this. And I'm converting this into a bar chart, and I'm sorting it out on this particular area. And then the product name, I wanted to make it as a top 10. Just go to this top, very simple, this one. And if I apply it, there, that's all. I got this information. The top 10 products were there, and I wanted to display the values also here. You can see this, and very simple way, you got top 10 values here. And I wanted to make this particular formatting again, all black background if I wanted to make it so it is visible for everyone very clearly. And then there's zero lines, everything, some formatting I have done here. And this particular thing, I wanted to make it as a white color, go to format and make it this as a white color. So it is very visible to everyone now. So that's about the one particular thing. This I can rename it as a top 10 category. And now next one is another one. I'm creating it map information. That map information, if I make it the state information as something like this, you'll be getting this entire country information, and as well as uh, or let us take the first one as a country, double click the country information here. If you double click the country information, you'll get this particular things, and India and US. And I wanted to make this right now we are focusing first at the India data, so you can easily have it. And the state information, I'm making it into this area. And then I have the profit information. I wanted to make it into the color. So that's it. And the color is coming into blue color. I wanted to change this into green color. And the green color, if I wanted to make it edit colors, if I have it, you can go back here and you can change this green and gold color thing. And that's it. The moment you got it, this is how it is. And I wanted to make this color also background black color, just make it as a dark. So everything is like this. And now I wanted to make it one more important thing I have not explained to you, but I'll show you that right now. That is information is I'm just making this information animation. So if you see here, it is what it is happening, friends. You can see this, just I'm showing it 2001 how it is, 2003 how it is, 2004 how it is. Every month, every year wise, it is changing automatically. Are you seeing this? This information with with one or two clicks, you are able to create it. This is called the animation part. So this one is done. So I'm renaming it as map information. That's all. So all points, all feedback points, whatever it is there, I have done there. Now, another thing is I'm going to dashboard here and I'm just making it as a one of the size automatic, or I can say the fixed size. And I'm taking the custom size. Usually this is what the size we will be taking it. And then we will be adding one of the image part, which is already we have created with help of what is that PowerPoint or Figma, whatever it is. We have one layout of the dashboard. I will show you that layout of the dashboard, where exactly it is. Just give me a second. So here, and one more thing is, we just wanted to show you that image. That's it. So this is the image which I have already prepared with help of PowerPoint or Figma. So it's a static image I have added here. Now I have created all these values, right? These are all the clustering, sales, and these informations I have created. I am just dragging that information into my particular clustering area. I am just dragging this information into this particular thing. So little bit formatting. I don't want this title. I don't want this legend. I wanted to place it a little bit of formatting here. That's it. And these values also, I don't want to be in that area, so I can adjust accordingly as per my requirement. So this is done. And now the regional data, I can place it here. You can see this is how it is coming. And I don't want the title here. I can remove it, and I can adjust this window. I can adjust as per the requirement here. So the region level information, I have placed it here. And now I can say the sales trend information, I can make it here. Just dragging and dropping here, you can see this how easily we are able to drop it. So this information is like this, and you can say this is what, and a little bit formatting. What is that? Very, very easy tool, friends. So like you can adjust the access as required. That's it. And now the KPI information, I'm placing it here. And this KPI information, these things are not required for me. I can remove these legend values, right? Legend values, I can remove it here. And this also I can remove. And these are all the additional legends that I may not be requiring it. And I'm just adjusting only things. Whatever I have created, I am just adjusting those particular things in my image level. That's it. Transactions were there. So everything was here right now. Now again the map, whatever it is forecasting information, I can place it here because the forecasting heading was there, and I can remove this particular header, and I'm just adjusting only. I'm not doing anything extraordinary activity here. Very easy, drag and drop and adjusting as per the requirement. First creating that view and this particular thing. So this is what one more thing, and let us remove unnecessary things, and I'm just adjusting as per similarity. Now the top 10 values are here. I can go back and change this information, add in information. I'm just removing the title. If you see, these are all repeated activities only, friends. You can see this. I'm not at all doing anything different. Any technique. It is not technical thing. It's just dragging and dropping only. Are you seeing this? This is how it is. Top 10 informations have come here now. Now the map information, I just wanted to display here, and then I wanted to this one. So the little bit formatting again here. So just this information, this unknown thing, you can hide this information for the better information part. And little bit formatting here. I just wanted to make some color here. And this is another information which is required for us. And little bit title is not required. And I don't want what is that? I don't want the page, this one, right? And I don't want the show history also. All these things I am just removing it. I have just placed it here. So very simple way, a little bit for everything. Most of the things are formatting things only. So just like this, and then I made it as a white color or white color formatting. That's it. And for this, I wanted to add some background as a black color, just a simple way. That's it. If you know the Tableau, you can create wonders. That's what I'm telling. Super easy. See how beautifully you are able to create this dashboard. The same thing, right? Whatever we have developed as of now, the same thing only you can see this. And little bit adjustment here. And I'm just moving it to this level area. That's all, friends. Within 100, less than 100 clicks, I'm able to create this. Are you seeing this? Now, after doing this particular thing, I wanted to show you that you wanted to save this information to the public people. So you need to go back and save this type of thing. Just like this, it will ask you if you have any user ID, you have to enter this particular thing here. So that is JK Thota. I have my own account and I'll be doing it. Okay. Oh my God. I'm sorry, friend. Okay, I think oh, this is the problem. I think the THOTA, my spelling is wrong and my email ID. You can also create about this. If you have anything, easily you can create your own account for this particular part. So it is done, and then it is asking you to save. While saving it, we need to do one setting here. We need to make it as an extract part, and I'm coming back to dashboard one. Excuse me. And then the dashboard one, the moment I went there, it will ask you to save. Then you are telling that to all public. Just give me a second. I think it is taking a little bit extra time. Oh, friends. Yeah. Oops. So I'm just coming back here, and again, I'm going to save this into public. Yeah, there is, before saving into the public, you need to do something like 4th January 2026, 100 clicks demo, Tableau. Whatever it is, a name you can give it. Just save this particular information, and that's all, friends. It will be going off. It will be saving on the public link, and you can share that link with your friends. That's it. It will come in a minute. Just you can see this. We are running out of time. I'm sorry for taking additional time, more than 1 hour. And within next few minutes, we will be finishing off it. Okay, that's all. With this, we have boom. That is coming just now. You will get one URL. That's it. You can see this. This is the public URL. It's available to the world now. We have created, this is the name we have created, right? This 4th January 100 clicks demo Tableau. We have given that information right now. That is available for the public view now. See how beautifully we have created. And it is all working on it. Okay, I think we have to give the filter as well. We forgot that to give that. I'm sorry that we can also add the filter here. Very simple way we can add that filter in this particular area. I'll just show you that as well. Adding the filter country information, I can take this information here and just place it here, and I can remove the title, and I can change the format into the multiple drop down menu. That's it. You can see here. If I select this information and also apply this to the all free all area, so all worksheets, apply OK, and then the moment I change it to the US, everything will change it to the US. You can see this now. It is coming now. US all is coming right now. If I remove the India, I can see this US data. Everything is like this. That's all, friends. You can see this. Less than 10 minutes and less than 100 clicks, I am able to create this particular dashboard in front of you. And these are all the very, very important concepts. This is called clustering concept, and this is called predictive analytics, and this is called top-end data. All these very, very high-level technological requirements you are able to achieve within minutes with the help of Tableau. So that is the greatness of the Tableau, the in reality, friends. So now let us go back to our presentation. What is that exactly we have it? So solution we got it, and you know that how the pie chart I have created, I have given it, how these charts were created, and how the geo map you have created. I've taken one image from this, and I have reserved 20 clicks for this. I have completed less than 80 clicks remaining all, and creating with the PowerPoint or the Figma this image you I have reserved for 20 clicks. With that, we have created this and we have saved to the public. Done. Zoom. Boom, like target is completed. We have created the dashboard within 100 clicks. That's all, friends. Now we are going to talk another 5 minutes. We are running out of time. With the 8:15, it will stop the session. So we have this thing. So good. I mean, like this is what I'm going to do it. Please refer your friends if anyone is there. Anyone is interested to learn Tableau, the same 100 clicks thing every Sunday, same time, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. I'm going to give this session for coming 2 months. So please refer your friends. If anyone is interested to learn Tableau, that is what you have to do. And now the second one is this is Tableau fundamentals, the self-paced learning. I will give you a complete details about the fundamentals of the Tableau, how it is connecting, how you can create the what is the Tableau behavior, how you can create the visuals, how you can create the dashboards, all these things in 1 hour. That is coming Saturday at 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Saturday, it is not Sunday. This fundamentals things on Saturday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And this is also for 2 months coming. So coming 2 months, I'm going to give it. Please refer your friends if you have anybody on that. Okay. So it is all free, no amount on this particular area. And now another thing is I have some TTH series training programs are there. What is this training programs? If you are really interested to know or understand, to learn Tableau, to become a Tableau expert, we have some packages. So this is what only weekends I'm going to conduct the sessions. That is Saturdays and Sundays. And there are various pack models like every week if you are able to spend 2 hours, Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. Like this, if you spend 4 weeks, you can take this. This is the first ticket. And the second one is if you are able to spend 4 hours per day, per Saturday 4 hours, Sunday 4 hours, if you are able to spend, then within 2 weeks you can complete the fundamentals of the Tableau. And this is if you want to spend 8 hours a week, 8 hours Sunday, 8 hours Saturday, if you are able to spend, I'm ready to help you on this. This is all paid sessions. And after completing the 16-hour training program, you can attempt the level 1 certification. You can proudly say that you are a certified Tableau professional on this particular area. And it is a bit costly, or I don't know how you feel. This is how it is, 10,000 rupees. If you have anybody, if you are interested, fine. Or if you have any friends, please refer to on this particular thing. I also have a referral scheme, referral incentives and all. I will be posting that in our subsequent thing. And another program is there. This is 30 hours training program. This is a very elaborative, very detailed, high level technical terms and all those things will be there. This is also the same weekends only, and only weekends. Weekends means Saturday and Sunday. Based on your time availability, based on how much you can spare on Saturdays and Sundays. If you really wanted to upskill your skill set, or if you wanted to improve your profile weightage and all those things, like you can try all these particular things also. But it is a bit expensive. It is 20,000 for 30 sessions and weekends, and accordingly this also you can see this how much the weekends and all available this area. So but basically what we can say, friends, it is abundant resources or highly quality resources are available online. If you attend my free webinars on your own also you can learn. With the help of chat gpt also you can learn. If you want any mentorship, or you can reach out to me for any doubts and clarification, I will help you on that. On top of it, if you really wanted to learn Tableau seriously for 16 to 30 hours, there are two levels. Like 16 hours is one type of learning phase, and the 30 hours is another level of phase. And here you can level 1, level 2 also you can attend the exam. For this second this 30 hours program, you will be equipped with level 1, level 2 certification knowledge. You can easily pass that exams, certified by Tableau alone. Okay, friends. So that's about final conclusion. Thank you for your time, and on this wonderful evening, Sunday evening. Thank you for joining my session. If you are interested, please reach out to me to learn Tableau. It is very easy. And the next week, Saturday, also, I'm going to have the fundamental this one, right? This particular thing. I'll post the link in the group or in the social media. Please try to join that session as well. It will be much more useful. That's in line with the same thing. You will be very happy, and Tableau will be super easy with that session, and you can learn on your own after that session. Okay, what is dimension, what is measure, all those things I'll be talking to you on that. Okay, friends. So that's about that. Thank you for your time. See you later. See you next week. Bye.